Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up and confirming your iOS version so you can restore if needed. Once done, force restart the iPhone, press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After the reboot, open Notes and type to check if the native keyboard responds. This step clears many transient faults and reloads system services. Make sure to test both portrait and landscape, and try toggling caps lock and emoji to exercise inputs. If restarting didn't fix it, remove third-party keyboards first. Go to Settings, General Keyboard, then delete any non-native ones to eliminate extension conflicts. Next, reset the keyboard dictionary to clear corrupted learned entries. Navigate to Transfer or Reset. Make sure iOS is fully updated, because patches often fix input bugs. Once updated, reinstall only trusted keyboards from the App Store and re-add them one at a time, testing after each edition so you can isolate the offending keyboard. As a final move, back up and perform a full restore via Finder or iTunes. Choose Restore and Update to reinstall iOS while preserving recent backups. If that fails, use DFU Restore to completely reload firmware and software. This is the nuclear option and usually fixes deep software faults. After restoring, set up and test the keyboard before restoring all data. If problems continue, suspect a hardware issue, contact Apple support, or visit an Apple store for diagnostics as your key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.